Hello guys, now in this particular video we will be automating the user creation. Okay, so how we can do it, let's start with the video, and I will create the file that is 17 user creation.sh. Okay, just add the hashbang. Okay, so let me first tell you the use case. Okay, what will the use case? So here the use case will be the for loop. First we want multiple users, and then username input, then password, and also choice whether user want to add user or not. Okay, so I will comment out this and I will just create the for loop first. The loop will be I equal to 0 and I will just run this loop till less than equal to 2 and I plus plus. Okay, so here first I will take the input from the user. So I will first use enter your choice. Okay, if choice is 1, then we will add user, otherwise no. Read choice. Okay, so we will read choice and we will apply the if condition here. If so one space here, if dollar choice hyphen eq, it means equal to 1, then what we have to do, then we have to take the username input, read username. So here I will do just echo enter the username. Okay, and next I will take the input echo enter the password, read password. Okay, so now till now we have like we will take the input from the user. Okay, so the command that we use to add the user, that is the user add. Then we will use sudo user add and we will provide hyphen m hyphen s slash bin bash. Okay, and the username. So username is this one. In this we have stored a username, and then we will pass the password because password takes the 2 parameters. Okay, so I will pass like this. Okay, so dollar username dollar password, and the pipe is pipe works because it passes the whatever the data is here, it passes this side. Okay, like it will pass the data to this command, that is sudo ch, and the ch password it is. So we will write ch password. Okay, so this command will add the password in the system. Okay, or for that user you can say. So now the else part will be else, just break out of the loop and close the if condition. Okay, I will just clear and I will just add the permission dot slash 17. Enter your choice, my choice is 1. Enter username, I will enter like hello world. Password Linux machine. Okay, so here you can see authentication. We are getting some kind of error like user hello world. Okay, password not changed. Enter your choice. Let me just enter some other number to break out of the loop. Okay, let me check with the code again. So read choice, we are getting the choice. Enter the username, that is the read username, then read password, then sudo user add hyphen m hyphen s bin bash, and we have passed the username here. Okay, then echo username, and here you can see the password. Okay, we have, okay, there was a mistake. So again let me just run the command. So but before that let me just delete that user, del user hello world, I think it was. Okay, done. So again just run this script and enter your choice, my choice is 1, and username Ankit I will write, and password I will write mm, hello world. Okay, so now it is asking me to again enter my choice whether I want to add a user or not. So I will know I don't want, so I will write 0. So we are out of the loop. Now I will log in into the Ankit and enter the password hello world. So here you can see who am I. If I will do so, it is Ankit. Okay, so in this way we can like automate the user creation. If you want to add multiple users, suppose if you want to add only one user at a time, then you can use this commands. Okay, these much of a script, and you don't need any if condition and all those things. Okay, so in this way you can automate the user creation. I hope you liked it, and if you have any queries, then please you can ask us in the comment section. So that's all for today's video, and I'll meet you in the next one. So thank you for watching.